We reflected on many issues, and we told me that at the end of Ramadan, he had made arrangement for me to go and have a tour of Qatar and to meet also with the King of Qatar. MCA, ODM. MCA, MP, Women Rep, Senator, Governor, President,
and all of us from Nyanza, those of us from Kisii, we have said we are going to vote 100% for Jacom.
Tutajitokeza sisi wote tupigie Raila Amolo Odinga kura, na wale ambao wamebaki kwa nomination tushikane pamoja. Baba atakuwa na nafasi ya kila mtu.
Raila has a plan for economic revolution. With the Raila presidency, Kenya itastahili ile heshima ambayo inafaa.
On behalf of the people of the state of Qatar, we pray for the steadiness of his family and the people of the Republic of Kenya as a whole.